one leaked password, and suddenly, millions of records are stolen. A hospital system shuts down. A bank loses trust. Almost every cyber attack boils down to just three core principles. Welcome to the CIA Triad. The CIA Triad stands for confidentiality, integrity, and availability. These three principles are the bedrock of cybersecurity, and understanding them is crucial whether you're a hacker or a defender. Let's start with confidentiality. This principle is all about keeping sensitive information out of the wrong hands. It's about privacy. Think about encrypted messages, login passwords, or file permissions. If an attacker breaches confidentiality, they can leak private emails or steal customer data. Take the infamous Yahoo breach, where 3 billion accounts were compromised. To protect confidentiality, we rely on tools like encryption, access control, and multi-factor authentication. These measures ensure that only authorized users can access sensitive information. Next up is integrity. This principle ensures that data remains unaltered and trustworthy. Imagine downloading a software update, only to find that a hacker has swapped it with malware. That's a serious violation of integrity. To safeguard against this, we use techniques like hashing, checksums, and digital signatures. Even the slightest change in data should be detectable. Integrity is not just about security, it's about maintaining trust in the data we rely on every day. Now, let's talk about availability. This principle guarantees that systems and data are accessible when needed. When a DDoS attack floods a website or ransomware locks up a hospital's files, availability is compromised. To combat these threats, we implement backups, firewalls, and load balancers. These tools help ensure that services remain operational no matter the circumstances. Here's the catch. Attackers only need to break one of these pillars to succeed, while defenders must protect all three. The CIA Triad isn't just a theoretical concept, it's your first line of defense against real-world threats. Understanding and applying these principles is essential for anyone involved in cybersecurity. In summary, we have confidentiality, which keeps data private, integrity, which ensures data accuracy, and availability, which keeps systems running smoothly. Mastering the CIA Triad is crucial for anyone serious about cybersecurity.